What's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. I just got this 2015 four-wheel drive Ford Expedition. It's a half-ton, full-size SUV. Runs and drives great. I just drove it a couple miles. Runs and drives great with absolutely no known mechanical issues whatsoever. And they actually detailed it before I picked it up, which is cool. It's got this, well, it's got 3 keys and a key fob, and it also has this keyless entry right here. It's got like a brand new vinyl cushion back seat. I don't think this thing was ever used for, you know, like picking people up. Although, so they did replace, this is really nice that they replaced these pieces right here. A lot of their utility belts will wear out these seats, so they already replaced that. Thing's super clean. It was detailed. I mean, it's spotless. The tires have, like, it looks like 95% tread or 100% tread. They're a winter performance tire. There's the tow package back right there. And then here's the rear storage area. Those seats fold down. Your jack is under here. Spare wheels underneath right there. And like I said, this thing's super clean. It's got 130 on the mileage. But man, they clean this up really nice. So anyways, I'll do another video of me driving it. I'm not going to do too much driving on this video, if any at all, because I've got to figure out where I'm going from here and put it into my phone. And I'm using my phone to record. So there's the rear view camera right there. Pops up right there. It's also got rear view monitoring sensors. That's the beeping that you hear. And when you get closer to something, it'll start beeping quicker. And then it'll also, when you get right before you back into something, it'll just like flatline, like it won't beep like that anymore. So yeah, it's got rear climate control as well as front climate control. This is, I think, to adjust, like if you're pulling something. You can manually shift it right here. Cruise control. Super clean. It's got 131, 236 at the time of this recording. So there you go. And it drives perfect. There's the back seat again. Those fold down. That back seat looks like it's never even been sat in, ever. So yeah, there it is. Look out for this. I'm gonna put it up for sale real quick. It's a half-ton, so if you wanted to pull like a small travel trailer or a boat or something, this is the rig, and it's 4-wheel drive. So go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and it even filled the gas tank for me. It's on full. I think that's as far as it'll go. So I'll do another video probably on my way home after I go do a couple more things that I got to do, and I'll put a link to it at the end of this video. So you guys be safe, take care, have a great everything. Later.